Aw, man. We miss his butt thingy.
Oh, there you go. Honey, move a little bit. Move a little bit too closer to daddy. Move, Jonathan!
Are you recording that?
We're recording Tristan's butt movement.
At least record the sitting, guys.
You guys didn't get the funny part.
I know.
But it's coming up again. Alright.
Sasha.
Your blanket is that from? Stop it. You don't need to cry.
Freaking dead.
Ben is really good at this.
Oh, really? That's surprising. Well, at least he's getting some exercise. And they should do that part again. Ew, Jonathan.
Freestyle's coming up.
Watch Ben get mad and kick Jonathan's ass.
Oh, they get to watch themselves freestyle?
It's so easy to make fun of your son.
Shut up. I know he's like such a nerd like B. Like just the way he danced, I can like picture B would dance like that.
I'm doing it.
I think first butt movement was funnier.
I know, right? She even brought her blanket.
Oh no, that's the floor.
Oh.
Freestyle's coming up.
Shit, this is the longest song. Teach.
Jonathan, stop doing that to Ben.
Hey, Jonathan, move over a little, Jonathan.
What the hell?
Oh, you can go back, Jonathan. Just scoot over a little. Oh. Hey, this is the first time he's done this thing, okay? Give him like a few more weeks. He'll perfect it.
He'll be super fly.
I know. He's such an idiot.
Oh my god, you're so
Shut up.
He's gonna grow